Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the typed array dots bits per element method. So what it does, it's give you the bytes per element, how much bytes take in per element, say in the typed array. So I'm gonna throw a bunch of typed arrays. So now what I'm gonna do is first log it on a console the float 64 array. But keep in mind though, these are not method, these are properties I messed up earlier, so 64 64, what the heck, 64 array, the one kind of typed array. And now what we need to do, use the property to check how much bytes it takes the per element, so bytes per element. And and now if we log it on a console, it's gonna give you 8, because it takes 8 element, I mean 8 bytes I guess, for every array to be stored, every element inside this to be stored. There is another typed array, I guess probably know this by now, and 8 array. So it takes 1 bit per element. So this is what it does. There are a bunch of other array, bunch of other floating points array and typed arrays. You can check also by this method. Like, I'm not gonna show you each and every one of them, just I'm giving you the example. The unitary array bits are like this. Yeah, there are like 64, and there are 32 too, like 32. It will take 4. There are like float, it takes 4. So this is what it does. There are float 64 too, it will take more, I guess. 64, 8. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.